Hi, here's a quick tutorial on how to create a group and pay a group in seconds. A group or a team is a feature that enables you to make multiple payments to a group of contacts in one click, saving you time. To create a group, you need to first select your group participants and name your group. Contacts will not be notified as this is an internal function for your own organization. First, you will go to your contacts page and click Create Group. You will be prompted to add the contacts that you wish to be part of that group. We display your contacts, or you can use the search bar. Just click on the contact and they'll be added as a participant. You can remove participants by clicking the X button. After selecting your participants, click Next and name your group. Once finished, click Create. You have now created your first group. You have the option to edit a group, delete, or pay a group. You can delete or edit a group name and delete or edit group participants at any time. To pay a group, click the Pay button on the group card. You will be directed to a table where you can fill in the required payment details. You can remove participants for certain payouts if you're not looking to pay them this time around. Or you can add new participants by adding a new row and entering their handle. After filling out the table, click Next to review your payment details. You are able to provide flexibility for all your contractor or supplier payments. Once finished, click Submit and let us do the heavy lifting. You can now pay your team in one go, saving you time and money. At success, you'll be provided with a summary screen. To get further information for each payment, just visit your home dashboard or activity page to see additional details for every payment. We hope you enjoy our new Groups feature where you can pay your team in one click. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and let us know how we are doing.